my viewers, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. It is a gaming week, and today I have this gaming chair from Livarno home with sporty racing design. Let's open the box and find out more about this product, assemble all the parts and find out how much comfortable it is. Ergonomic backrest with integrated headrest, adjustable head and lumbar pads for optimal sitting comfort, adjustable resistance of the rocking mechanism up to 108 degrees, adjustable seat height, high adjustable armrests. So many accessories. Well, let's start one by one. Easy care textile covering with max load 110 kg. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. So many accessories. Let's start one by one the assembly. Here we have the wheel base, the caster wheel. One by one we need to install them here. Just press and it will lock. And of course, next we have the spring for the gas lift. That goes here, and the cover. And here we have the tilter chair mechanism, the high adjust mechanism from here, and we need to install that here at this position. 360 degrees rotation. Now next, I have the chair, the sitting area, and I need to install this mechanism. We need 4 screws, plenty of screws we have here. We have 20 of these screws, 4 of these small screws, so I'm going to use 4 of these screws. And I need an Allen key, included of course. There it is, I will use mine. Next I need to install the armrest mechanism. It has this lever and you can adjust it up and down. One here and one here. Again, I will use 4 and 4 screws. And of course it has the marks right and left. Okay, now the left. And next we have the back tilt mechanism chair for the lumbar support, and I need to install that at the right. So that it will go here. And again we need these huge screws, two of these screws. And here we have the adjustment, this lever. And I need to install, and at the left, the other, that goes here, another two screws. Final adjustment later when I'm going to install the lumbar support, and I think it is the time right now to do that. Two screws here, another two screws from the other side, left and right. And the other two screws here. Okay. And next I have to install these covers here. One, it goes here with these two screws. And the other cover, it goes here. We need another one screw. Perfect. And that it locks here. We have the cover, plastic cover for the screws. And the same we need to do and the other side here. Two screws again. Another plastic here with one screw. And that was all. I think we need the wheels right now. And just plug in all the chair. The chair is finished. Final setup. I think it looks great. I like here the gorilla design at the back and at the cushion. Soft cushion, and here, if you want, you can remove from the back with this clip. The same, we have two clips here for this cushion. It's very soft. Soft at the armchair. I like it. Definitely it's very comfortable. I like that it doesn't have a fabric at the armchair. Definitely this you can clean it better. Compare it with a fabric. Here it has fabric at the sitting area, and at the back it is better because with the leather it will be more hot. I like the fabric. Adjustments here, you can adjust it up and down. And the tilt, of course, here it is the tilt mechanism. Now it is on 90 degrees. I like the blue color with the black, light blue, sea blue I can say. The wheels here are very soft. It will not damage your wood floor maybe, yep. Plastic blue around the wheelbase. Now it is on 90 degrees angle. You can adjust to have 4 adjustments. First, second, third and fourth. Find the right adjustment that is more suitable for you. I think for me the third it is okay. And of course you can adjust the armrest. 3 adjustments, first, second and third. Right and left. It is very soft here. You can tilt, of course, just pull that and then tilt. You can adjust the mechanism at the base, more soft or harder, and lock. Now it doesn't tilt. Unlock, tilt. You can adjust the height. I like the wheels, are very steady, are not moving around. I like that. The seat area is not so soft, but I think with time passing that will change. The cushion, it helps for my back and for my neck after a long time sitting. My body, it fits very well on the chair. I feel like it is a durable and well manufactured gaming chair with many adjustments. Sitting on my office for editing, gaming or typing is very comfortable, the chair. Now the cost, it is 150 euros. I think the cost is high for me. Definitely at the market the competition is very high, and with 150 euros you may find better gaming chair. At the end it is your choice if you want to buy this chair. Overall I can say it is a good looking gaming chair with many adjustments. Thank you for watching this long video. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.